Software development is a multi-billion-dollar industry, so it is not surprising that new tools are often released to meet the growing demand. When it comes to online businesses, there is no exception. Marketing tools are essential for any company, including traditional businesses looking to go online, existing digital companies, or any individual internet marketer who wants to build an income from home. However, with so many choices out there, which one's the most suitable? Taking a closer look at the marketing software community, no shortages of options will come up in your research. There are tools for creating websites, building sales funnels, and developing shopping carts so payment can be processed online. While these are essential tools, the problem that many business owners face is that those products do not seem to be the most suitable for them. For example, traditional business owners may find that the available products are overly complicated, especially if they do not have the technical skills to run the systems. Then, there may also be aspiring entrepreneurs who are just starting out, and the high cost of all the available tools means that they are out of their budget. Finally, there are just too many tools that a new business owner needs, and requiring to subscribe to dozens of tools on paid monthly plans, while needing to understand and manage all the accounts, can quickly become overwhelming. Because of all these reasons, that's why Groove.cm was created. Groove is a suite of online business tools designed for business owners, but without the complexity and the expensive price tag. In fact, it's quite the opposite, because Groove is not only easy to use, it is also free. When members sign up for a free Groove account, they get immediate access to a website creator, funnel builder, and shopping cart software, all of which allows them to have everything they need to start selling products and services online. This is especially helpful for those with little to no technical knowledge, because the entire suite of tools are so simple to use that even computer illiterate folks can copy and paste, drag and drop, and click and scroll their way to creating professional-looking websites with sales funnels capable of taking online orders. Not only that, but the free Groove account can also add unlimited products, create sales funnels, build branded websites with full navigation, use custom domain names, sell products in just one click, and offer upsells, downsells, and order bumps to customers. Astonishingly, Groove also has a powerful affiliate program built in, which means that members can easily start their own affiliate programs and have their own affiliates promote their products for them. Such a robust software suite is typically unheard of in the software development industry, much less one that is being made available for free. For those who are looking for the new best way to build funnels and sell digital products, and would like their own complete digital products and services online sales system for free, now is the time to get started with Groove.